Alright, so for whom it may concern, if you have never seen the flower that is called duck flower, you see the shape of the duck sitting on the water top. Yeah, so here is one where the flower is opening. So it's called duck flower because of its duck shape. It's a number one detoxer, blood cleanser. It also cleanse the liver and the kidney. Why? Because of its bitterish taste. It also clean the gallbladder or resuscitate the gallbladder. That means if you have a gallbladder and it is going low in energy, meaning it's losing its bile duct. Come on, man, sea plant, if you put it back, it has a bitter taste. It's very, very toxic at times, meaning if you don't collect it when the gas is being released, it can be a poison. So why do you make your vomit? You make your bottom spew like you're urinating through your bottom. That's how it's diuretic. Yeah, man. And it's the number one detoxer for one plant. The only one flower you can eat and get a full body cleanse. Yeah, man. Check us locally, internationally here in Jamaica. Available.